Today, Friday morning, an earthquake shook the east coast of the United States as reported by the U.S. Geological Survey. The tremor, registering at 4.8 on the Richter scale, originated near Lebanon, New Jersey, striking just before 10:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This seismic event marked the most powerful recorded earthquake in the Northeast in over 10 years, according to USGS data. Despite the significant tremor, there were no immediate reports of major damage or casualties. Local and regional authorities in affected areas swiftly initiated inspections to assess the integrity of buildings, bridges, and other critical infrastructure, ensuring public safety in the aftermath of the quake.